Alright, so I'm making these. Unfortunately, I do not have any buns or lettuce. So I'm just gonna eat them by themselves rather. And I figured I would just put some BBQ sauce on. I'm using this. Yo, tell me why when I bought it, I thought this is how they come, like with the bun and everything. ShopRite had them on sale for $1. I think it comes with four. Nah, six. Look right there. Yeah, I had them in the freezer. Hopefully it turned out good, man. My dad makes veggie burgers. He doesn't eat meat. Dude, the way he makes it is fire. I mean, like stupid fire.